Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 8.3. Convert the given fraction number to percentage. First, very easy that 1 upon 8. We are converting in fraction in percentage. So here you will be multiply. That y cancel. That will be 4 2 ja, 425 ja, and then by 12.5. So that is 12.5 percentage. And then second part also, see that B part also, that 5 upon 4, 5 upon 4 into 100, that is 25, and then 25 5 ja 125. And then C part D part you can do, no problem is there. Second question, that convert the given decimal fraction to percentage. So that A part 0.65 into 100 is equal to, that is a 65%. And then B part 2.1 into 100 percentage is equal to that will be 20 by multiply, that will be 210%. And then similarly you can do the other two part. Third question, that estimate what part of that figure is colored. So colored part is equal to, that is 1 and total is 4. And then percentage, that is percent is equal to 1 upon 4 into 125. So that is 25%. And then third part, see that second part you can do that colored part is equal to, that is 3, and then total part is 8, and percent is equal to, that is 3 upon 8 into 100. By the cancel, that will be 12.5, and then 3 5 ja 15, and then 3 2 ja 6 1 7, 3 1 ja 3, 37.5%. And then fourth question, you will see the fourth question. Find 15% of 250. That will be 15% means, that is multiply of upon 100. That 0 cancel by 0, 5 5 ja 5 2 ja. So that will be 15 5 ja 75 upon 2. That will be, or you can write in mixed fraction also, in decimal also, 2 3 ja 2 7 ja 37.5. B part that 1% of 1 hour. So that 1 into 60 minute we can write here, 60 minute we can write here upon 100. That will be cancelled, 2 3 ja or 2 5 ja, that will be 3 upon 5 minute. And then C part you can do, D part also. See the D part, here is given 75% of 1 kg. So that will be 75 into 1000 gram. So that will be 100, 2 0 cancel by 2 0, so that is 750 gram. We can write like this also. And then question number 6, question number 5. Find the whole quantity. Let whole quantity is equal to, that will be whole quantity. We can suppose that let whole quantity, or we can write here directly here x. So that whole quantity will be 5 into x upon 100. is equal to, that is a 600. 5% of the, here we can write this one, 5% of it is, that is 600, and then 5 2 ja 10, so that x is equal to 6 2 ja 12, 1 2 3 0, that is a whole quantity. And then B part you can do, C part also you can do. See the D part. 70% of it is 14 minutes. So that 70 into x upon 100 is equal to, that is 14. So 0 cancel by 0. So x is equal to 14 into 10 upon 70. 7 2 ja. So that x is equal to 10 2 ja 20. And then E part also, see that 8% of it is, that is 40. So 8 into x upon 100 is equal to 40. So that x is equal to 40 into 100 upon 8. 8 5 ja 40. So that x is equal to 500. And then question number, you will be see the 6. Question number 6, that convert given percentage to decimal fraction and also in fraction its decimal simplest form. That is 6 question A. 25%. 25% it will convert in decimal. Decimal is equal to, that is 25 upon 100 is equal to, that is decimal 25. In fraction is equal to, that will be 25 upon 100. Same thing, 25 1 ja 25 4 ja, that is 1 upon 4. And then see the B part also, that is 150%. So in decimal, that will be 150 upon 100, 0 cancel by 0, that will be 1.5. In fraction, that will be 150 upon 10, 0 cancel by 0, 5 3 ja 5 2 ja, that is 3 upon 2. And then B part, and then D part also say that. C part you will do at home. C part is 5%. So that in decimal, that is 5 upon 100, 5, sorry, no, in decimal we are writing here, so that will be 0.05. In fraction, that will be 5 upon 100, 5 1 ja 5 20 ja, that is 1 upon 20. And then question number 7, in a city female is equal to 30%. So female is equal to 30%, male is equal to, that is 40%. So children is equal to, that is 100 minus sum of these two. So that is 100 minus 70 is equal to 30% of that one again is answer. And then question number 8, that is out of 15,000 voters constituency 60% voted. Find the percentage voted did not. So that did not voted is equal to, that is 100 minus 60, that is 40%, that is. And then can you find how many actual did not vote? So actual did not vote, actually did not vote is equal to, that is 15,000 multiply, that will be 40 upon 100. 1 0 cancel, 15 4 ja 60, 2 zeros. It means that is 6,000 voter has not given the vote. And then 9th question, that is Meena save 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of his salary, what is her salary? So save is equal to, that is 400 rupees, and then save percent is equal to 10%. So total salary, that will be, so that will be total salary. We can suppose that L, so that will be total salary 400 multiply 100 upon, that is percentage, 4,000 rupees is the total salary. And then last question, 10th question, that will be a local cricket team play 20 match. So that 10th question, that play matches is equal to 20, and then 1% is equal to, that is 25%. So that did they win matches is equal to, that 20 multiply 25 upon 100, 25 4 ja, and then 4 5 ja, that is 5 match only they have win. Okay.